So why does the SBA often take your home as collateral for an SBA loan? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how the SBA calculates collateral value for the collateral that you might be able to pledge from your business and why they often will require you to pledge your home as collateral as well. So let's say you're applying for a $250,000 SBA loan and you have some commercial real estate to pledge, you have some equipment, some inventory, some accounts receivable, all as collateral that you might be able to pledge on this loan. And you would think, okay, that's plenty of collateral. Why would the SBA need to take my home equity as collateral as well? Well, this is how the lender is typically going to discount the value of your collateral. So different types of collateral will have different discount rates. And so we'll look at commercial real estate. It's going to have the highest, it's going to maintain the highest collateral value. So if you have an appraised value of $150,000, they're going to discount that by 15%. So they'll give you probably roughly 85% of the value of that commercial real estate. So your collateral value in that case is $127,500. Now, for equipment, they're probably going to discount that 50%. So your $80,000 worth of appraised equipment is really going to give you $40,000 worth of collateral. Inventory, the lender doesn't want your inventory. They're not going to know how to sell your inventory. If they do have to sell your inventory, they're going to have to sell it at a massive discount. So they're going to give you probably a 10% collateral value on this. So $60,000 worth of inventory, they may value at $6,000. Accounts receivable, this is a little bit better. You're going to get probably a 25% discount, so 75% collateral value for your $50,000 in accounts receivable. Okay, so your total appraised value of all that collateral is $340,000. And if you were applying for a SBA loan for $250,000, you would think, I've got enough collateral, I shouldn't need to pledge my home as well. Well, after they go through that discount process, the total collateral value after discounting it is $211,000. So the deal is short on collateral. And the SBA is going to require the lender to take any equity that you have in your home as a collateral if the deal is short on collateral based on the business assets. So here's an example where you think, man, I think I should have enough collateral here that I shouldn't need to pledge my home. But once you go through thinking through how the bank or the lender is going to really discount that, you're going to find that almost always you're going to end up having to pledge your home equity as collateral on that SBA loan. So that's just kind of the deal with SBA loans. It's not for everybody, because putting your home at risk is serious and it's not for everybody, but this is a government guaranteed loan program. And so in order to protect the taxpayers, the SBA is going to require that you put your home up as collateral as well. So that's the deal on how collateral is calculated. Hope that's been helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@ProjectionHub.com. Be happy to take a look at your specific situation, what you're applying for an SBA loan. We'll put a link in the description of the video below to our free SBA review form. So you could give us a little bit of context and information about what you are working on. And we will give you feedback for free on your SBA loan application. So feel free to do that or reach out to us directly at support@ProjectionHub.com. Thanks.